Good afternoon, I'm Greg Bain with Nature's Alpine Solutions, and I'd like to demonstrate for you today our new AquaTech demonstration kit, which really is comprised of two separate things to do this experiment. The first one encompasses a little test strip, what we call, to determine the hardness of water. Very easy to do. You'd get your sample water from a customer well, tap water, wherever the water source is, and take one of these strips called Waterworks hardness strips, dip it in the hard water for 3 seconds, no stirring, pull it out, and then you can compare the color change. If you happen to notice it was yellow before I immersed it in the water, now it's a reddish color, and you compare it to this color chart on the back of the bottle. And on there is a reading you can read direct in parts per million of hardness or grains per gallon, whichever is more convenient. This one is measuring at about 425 parts per million hardness. So that's the very easy, quick way of determining water hardness in your customer samples. With that information, then you can progress to the AquaTech part of the demonstration. And fertigation is one of those topics where most of the time if I take a call there's a problem, they're always blaming the fertilizer is causing the problem. In these back jars is distilled water or purified water. In the front jars will be hard water, and I have them preloaded with hard water. I'm going to use 400 parts per million hardness, which is considered very, very hard according to the U.S. Geological Service. So this is just an example. The front two jars are the hard water, which would represent your irrigation water in question. So I'm going to take 31818 and add 10 drops, only 10 drops. This experiment is calibrated for these non-reusable pipettes to deliver 10 drops per jar. So I'm going to put 10 drops of 31818, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 drops of the same fertilizer into the different qualities of water, and then shake gently. You can see in the hard water bottle, you can see it turning a little cloudy, milky color, you might say. What's forming in this cloudy mixture is calcium phosphate. Calcium and magnesium ions react very aggressively with phosphate in fertilizers. Unfortunately, they form calcium phosphate or magnesium phosphate, which is very insoluble in water and starts to fall out of solution. So it creates something that looks like a milk. And as it ages and gets worse, those small particulates can plug your irrigation orifices, whether it be in a center pivot, drip irrigation, or drip tape. Now on this next half of the demonstration, we'll be using AquaTech, again into purified water and hard water, using a different pipette. It'll be 10 drops of fertilizer into each jar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, this is purified water with AquaTech technology. This would be hard water with AquaTech technology. With our polyamine additive, you can see that the fertilizer in hard water sample stays very clear. There's no precipitation of the calcium magnesium phosphate, so that takes the problem of the potential plugging out of the question. The interesting part, and this is for demonstration purposes only, just to show the effectiveness of the AquaTech technology, I'm just going to add a little bit to this sample of hard water without our polyamine technology. No particular amount, just dump some in there. Swirl it around, and you can see in just a matter of seconds it clears back up to look like the purified water. Can't tell a difference. So that's chemically how the AquaTech technology in terms of polyamine works. The function is up to 475 parts per million hardness of water. Anything above that, we recommend contacting the original equipment manufacturers on their flushing and cleaning situation. But what this is intended to do, again, it's not meant to clean systems, it's meant to prevent the formation of calcium phosphate which leads to the prevention of plugging of your irrigation system. And with that, if you have any questions, you can give your Nature's Alpine distributor a call or call the home office itself. Thank you.